What's up, everyone? This is the Hillbillies. We're going fishing. First trip of the season. Got the family out. Got my dad, my Uncle Tony back there in the back. Got my Uncle Keith driving the truck. Getting ready to put the boat in the water. Looking a little high, but heck, might be good. Got some good bait this year. Found a new live bait shop around where we live. It looks awesome. Oh yeah. Beautiful day. Not a cloud in sight. And yes, that is our boat ramp. Nothing, yeah. Let's just go with that. Hope you all enjoy the videos I make. If so, cool. Well, we're gonna get this boat in the water. Good. Let's come forward a little bit. Go down just a little bit. Whoa.
Oh damn! You're the one with the brakes, we ain't. Come on back, slow.
Keep coming.
Hold on. Go back up just a shade. Tell him to stop.
Whoa!
Yeah, he does. Go back up.
Go back up just a little bit.
Back up a little bit.
Keep going, keep going.
Forward.
One more.
Okay, so, all right. Now tell him to back up a foot.
Back up just a little bit.
A little more. Right there.
Yeah.
Well, get back in the truck, fool.
Well, I'm just.
Go forward.
Okay.
Go forward a little bit so I can move this rock and you should get back in.
Okay. Well, I went to get the motor on before we put it in.
Well, remember last time we did it, it dug into the mud?
Yeah, but the river's up.
Yeah, but the river's way up too.
Pull it forward about 3 feet.
Get the rock out of the way.
You got the rock. Well, hold on.
Yeah, go ahead and put the acid in the water so it doesn't. Just get the acid in the water. Yeah, go ahead and back up.
Okay. Let me know what I need to do, guys. Let's come back about 5 feet. I can do that.
Hang on.
I don't hear nobody talking, so I don't know what to do.
I said, hang on a minute.